everyone, it's Kelly. Guess what I have here? I have the bargain bead box for May of 2023, and I'm very excited to open it. I just received it in the mail and came in here to start the video. I was tracking it, so I knew it was coming today. So, this says Your Beads. The bargain bead box, Cloudburst. Inspired by moody spring skies and the beauty of a rainy day, this collection stars natural quartz crystal and antique copper finish components. Oh. Agate, apatite, crystal, and glass beads complete this palette, while a bold quartz focal, textured roller chain, and several sizes of round links create numerous design opportunities. So I'm very excited to see this. Okay. So, let me put this aside. Okay. Ooh. Look at this. You know we all love this. You know we all love getting this box. I think this box is probably the most watched unboxing out of all of them. And I don't know why. I think more people get this box than any other box. Okay. Oh, check that baby out. Nice. Oh, look at these chunky pieces here. Let me get started. Let me get everything in order. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is number 1. It's a 7-inch strand of 10mm matte gray crackle agate beads, dyed and heated. These are pretty. Lots of texture in them. They are a really cool color. I don't see them usually gray like this. Usually they've got more color to them. So they're pretty interesting. They're very pretty. We've got those. So number 2 is 30 pieces of 7mm wavy rondo spacer beads, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. These are pretty. Yeah, I was just checking to see if the lighting was good. Very pretty. Can't have too many wavy spacer beads for sure. And number 3 is a 10-inch strand of 7.5 by 4mm matte glass cylinder beads, crystal AB. Oh, these are pretty. They're a little different. Very pretty. Loving these. And number 4 is a natural rough quartz crystal and copper pendant, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Let's see. Open this up. It's kind of funky looking. It's got a couple hooks on it. Very pretty. I don't think we've ever gotten anything like this before that I can remember from them. It's very pretty. Very rustic looking. I'm just going to put that like that. And then number 5. Number 5 is a 7.5-inch strand of natural quartz crystal rough nugget beads. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, these make really good boho jewelry. Definitely. Got some weight to them too. Very pretty. Number 6 is approximately 24-inch 7mm textured steel Rolo jewelry chain, lead nickel free. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, and they do open up, so you could use these, like if you wanted to, you know, use like 3 or 4 of these for each thing. This gives me an idea already for something. My creative juices are flowing. I love that. I love when you open up the box and you're already like thinking of things to create. So number 7 is approximately 48 pieces of 4mm crystal faceted cubic cylinder beads in vitriol. These are really pretty. Nice and sparkly. Usually we get the crystal bicones, so we didn't get them this time. We got these instead. Very pretty. And number 8 is a 14-inch strand of 8x7mm faceted crackle glass lantern beads. These are pretty. I don't know if you can see all that detail inside of the beads. I don't know if the camera is catching it. Look at them. I'm just trying to move it around a little bit so you could see. These are really, really pretty. I got a couple really cool ideas already for this box. This is a really pretty box. It's kind of different from what we normally get, which is nice. Number 9, I won't open these. These are 5 grams of mixed 4x10mm brass jump rings and antique copper, nickel-free. So they're just basic, you know, but it's nice to get them in all different sizes because then you can, you know, use them for different things. This is really cool. 26 pieces of 8mm and 14mm round donut length mix, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. These are really cool. Yeah, this is a really nice box. I see a lot of jewelry coming out of this box. And of course, I'll be adding a few little goodies to it because I always like to do that. And number 11, these are pretty. 6 pieces of 22mm wavy donut length, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Let me get one more. These are pretty. These make great connectors. They don't open at all, so they're soldered together, but very pretty. Okay, so number 12. Oh, these are pretty. These are the English cut ones. 30-piece strand of 7mm English cut half matte crystal beads in slate vitriol. These are pretty. Yeah, look at all the, you can see all the different colors and hues in this. These are really pretty. I love these English cut beads. Okay, and number 13 is approximately 4-inch mini strand natural apatite nugget beads. These are pretty. These are really pretty. Different, blend different colors in there. You see a little bit of like a caramely color, almost like when you turn it, you could just see little flickers of it, but very pretty. And oh, these are really cool. Number 14, 2 pieces of 25x36mm heavy-duty toggle clasp, heavy-duty toggle clasps, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Oh, these are really pretty. Yeah, this screams boho to me. Oh, absolutely love this. And number 15. Oh, I'm not going to open these. 15 is 10 grams of 45mm 21 gauge brass eye pins, antique copper, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Very pretty. I was low on copper, so this worked out good. And number 16, oh, these are pretty. 3-piece set of electroplated quartz crystal rough point pendants. I really like this month's box. Very pretty. I like this mixture. And the thing I like about it is because it's kind of muted, so if you want to add a color to it, you can. And it, you know, or you can just use it on its own. And last but not least, approximately 10.5-inch strand of Natural Appetite chip beads. These are really pretty. These are very pretty. I'm really happy with this month's box. I think these are really pretty. Yeah, it seems like this box seems to be the most popular with everybody, I've noticed, even though the other companies have such beautiful boxes. Yeah, this is a really pretty box this month. I'm looking forward to working with it. Let me know down in the comments if you get this box or not. I had someone ask me on one of my other videos, I posted something from Dollar Bead Box, and they asked me if this was the sister, if that was the sister box to Bargain Bead Box, and I said no. Bead Box Bargains is the sister company to Bargain Bead Box. I'm starting to get, but yeah. So anyway, this is May Cloudburst collection for Bargain Bead Box. I'm really excited to work with this. Definitely expect a couple tutorials from this. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I will leave the link to Bargain Bead Box below in the description, and also all of my social media is below, including my Etsy store, if you want to look at anything or see any of my pieces after I post them. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you for my next video. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.